Hello there! This is Teacher Jai and you're watching Unboxing 101. In this video, we are going to unbox TNG 188 speaker. This speaker comes with TWS, torchlight, and solar panel. This is from Lazada for 435 pesos. For specifications, see for yourself. So now it's time to unbox. I got the color black. This one comes also with a strap, a manual, a micro USB charging cable, and an audio cable. Let's try.
Bluetooth mode.
So based on its performance, though it is made up of plastic, but it looks nice, it sounded nice, and for 435 pesos, you have a speaker with a torchlight and a solar panel. So if you wish to order, I'll put the link, the Lazada link, on the description box below. And that's the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is Teacher Jai saying keep shining. Bye.